Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the HDFC versus the HDFC Millennia Credit Card. So if you don't know what these two are, the Diners Club Privilege Credit Card is a premium lifestyle card offering higher reward points, travel perks, and complimentary memberships tailored for users with higher spending patterns. And the Millennia Credit Card, on the other hand, is a cashback-focused card designed for millennials, providing rewards on popular online platforms and everyday spending. So let's go over the pros and cons, starting with the Diners Club here. So the pros of it is that you can earn up to 5 times reward points on Swiggy and Zomato. It also has complimentary memberships to Swiggy, one and time primes upon meeting spend criteria, access to domestic and international airport lounges, milestone benefits like vouchers on quarterly spends. Now, the cons of it is that the annual fee is quite high, waived on annual spends, limited acceptance compared to Visa or MasterCard, and no fuel surcharge waiver for transactions. So let's go over to the Millennia Credit Card right here. So the pros of it is that it has 5% cashback on spends at Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, Zomato, and other partner merchants. 1% cashback on all other spends, including EMIs and wallet transactions. It also has an annual fee, which is lesser than the Privilege Card, waived on annual spends, and up to 8 complimentary domestic lounge access per year. Now, the cons of it is that monthly cashback has a cap for partner merchants. It also has lower cashback rate for non-partner merchants and excludes cashback on utility and rent payments. So which one is right for you? So you should choose the HDFC Diners Club Privilege Credit Card. You seek a premium lifestyle benefit and travel perks and can meet higher spending thresholds. And you should choose the Millennia Credit Card if you prefer straightforward cashback rewards on popular online platforms and have moderate spending habits. So yeah, you should choose the Diners Club if you're rich, and choose the Millennia Credit Card if you're average. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.